back in action, back in the action, boys. Yo, you guys are gonna have to forgive me a little bit with this video, man. I just had the boys over for a birthday lunch for one of my men. Whatever that, man. Whatever. I'm a little drunk right now, I'm not gonna lie. But, for long story short, thumbs up, comment down below. I don't have much time to film this, man, because we got plumbers coming in. I got my whole basement reno going on, so they're coming in a second. I don't know how long that's gonna take. I'm thinking right, somewhat, but my words aren't coming out. Anyway, bro, getting into it, thumbs up, comment down below. We got a stupid video. I think it's gonna be stupid, but we never know. You guys have hit me up a few times. There's gonna be probably no edits in this because I have to edit right after. I'm still gonna probably be a little drunk. Not gonna lie to you guys. I forgot my thought. Jesus, I don't think. No, I gotta not do that before I film. Anyway, long story short, a few of you guys have been hitting me up, and when I say a few, like a good dozen have been hitting me up about, and keep in mind, I don't usually like take advice from you guys at all, ever since, this is a quick story. I actually don't remember it too much, but my wife, now wife, it reminds me quite often of, I guess there was like a couple of years ago, where like some random video was blowing up, and I said, hey man, like, this is crazy, people must love it. Everyone's saying KYS with exclamation marks. At that time, I didn't know what it meant, bro. And then I guess she said, yeah, no, that means kill yourself. You know what I mean? I don't know if I could say that on YouTube. So I don't take your guys' advice no more, for the most part, because y'all are mean. And I will not KYS, now that I know what it means. Anyway, down to the video, boys. So, yeah, a bunch of you guys have been hitting me up with this. Some $1 jewelry. Now, keep in mind, you guys have been asking me for a long time to, like, bring back the diamond tester. I actually have it right here. We haven't done this in a minute, boys. This is cool. Apparently, this, people are sending me links, too, so I got it, and I will share the link in this video or tell you the company if it actually passes. Apparently, this, like, dollar jewelry, and I freaking bought it for $1. I just checked on the tracking, is gonna pass the diamond tester. Now, we all know it's bull. We all know it's SHIT. That seems absolutely ridiculous. They would lie to us like that. And I think they absolutely are. However, we have to test it. This is $1 jewelry that should pass a diamond tester. Now, I'm going to go off a little bit more on this. That would be called moissanite. And moissanite, generally, it costs a lot more than $1. I can't remember what I bought. I got the package right here. Track the checking. Track the checking. Check the tracking. Yeah, something like that. I think that was good. So let's do this. Boys, I got another party later. That's why I'm all loopy right now, you know? It was the freaking lunch. We all get drunk. Everyone get out of my house. Let me clean it before my girl gets back. Let me film a video. I'm gonna join you for dinner. That was the plan, you know? Actually, they're all partying right now somewhere else, but I had to film this video. Let's check if this dollar jewelry will actually pass a diamond tester. How's that sound? Alright, boys, balls out mode right now. I'm just, this is a package. Package achieved. $1. Now, if you get $1, and like I said, I don't know, like, how this is. Maybe you got moissanite jewelry that's $1. That can't make sense. I don't know. I don't think anything else would pass the diamond tester. We're gonna test it. The strength isn't there. Ugh. I don't know why I have a chopstick here. Oh, that was probably from last video. Okay. Still doesn't make sense. Boys, there's a buck. Just while I open this, I'm gonna talk to you about it. It seems like AliExpress, but I can't even remember where I got it, bro. I can't even remember, but I will put it in, like I say, if it actually does. Ow! Let's go! We got the bag, just the classic. You know, this is a good sign already. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't remember. I don't even know what kind of chain we got, but it's apparently supposed to test, so we don't care. Bag. Good sign. Nice bag. You know, you got, sometimes you got, I might have, I did. Swear I saw that earlier. You might have something like this. Plastic. They usually come with that if you like on like AliExpress or something like that. This is better. Now I can already feel in this. I'm feeling up a little bit. I'm cheating. This is called a tennis chain. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be a tennis chain. Okay, now a buck. I don't know if y'all seen this on TikTok, bro, or y'all seen this on YouTube Shorts or something, but somebody's effing with you, because I guarantee, actually, I might even just put the link down below to blast them, because somebody's lying to someone, and somebody sent me proof of that. Okay, it's squiggly. How would they do that? Oh, I guess. Man, this is like a Rubik's Cube. Or do I have to unclog? And, okay, so regular tiny Chinatown dragon. Oh, now I'm thinking of Shanghai fried thick noodles. Oh, I got it unlocked. Anyway, here we go, boys. Here's once in a lifetime DRUNK brand unboxing. Although usually have a beer with the video, it just calms me down a little bit, but this time apparently I've had a little bit more than one beer before. So, I mean, let's look at this real quick. It's regular, there's no branding on it. I was looking at the clasp here. Of course there's not going to be any gold or anything, but yes, they claim this is going to pass your diamond tester. I call bullshit twice, because I don't think it will. Now you guys are getting scammed on this, I guarantee you, if you're getting it for $1. Although we have seen some crazy stuff before on this channel, we don't know. Diamond tennis chain, although even for $1, that's better than my website almost. NameBranFam.com, link is down below. You can get 2 free jewelry for the price of 1, but it's not actually free. You have to pay shipping on it, and I'm gonna restock that this week. Or pay someone to restock it, because I don't know how to do math. Here's this chain y'all have been talking to me about. Let's frickin' go. Is it gonna pass? This is the moment where we all kind of bite our frickin' lip a little bit like Brad. You're dragging this on a little too long. I agree. So let's go. Not yet though. Now I gotta talk to you about the Sasquatch for a second. Now the Sasquatch, let me tell you, not a primate, not a human. Both! Alright, just kidding. Alright, let's get back to it. One take, probably. Yeah, we got that good. We got the bars. I just have no hope for this. Yep, no hope. Yeah, they lied to you. Y'all been done it again. Y'all been lied to. I might put the link down below to, for y'all to flame them. Anyway, yeah, that didn't work. You're not gonna buy moissanite jewelry. Unless there's something else that I don't know of diamonds that like passes the diamond tester, you're not gonna buy it and it's gonna pass for $1. I don't think so. Oh, peace.